The BIZNOVATOR Start-Up Bootcamp is for teenagers, individuals that have a curiosity to learn how to start a business, but not just focus on becoming entrepreneurs. It's also an experience that brings them and gives them the opportunity to come in with curiosities, and then there they determine what it is they really want to do, not only in business, but in life. They get to experiment, to try new things through experiential learning in helping solve a problem that exists. And through that, they learn entrepreneurship, innovation, and ideation. Of course, there are other programs, perhaps at schools and everywhere else, that teach entrepreneurship. But at BIZNOVATOR, we teach young people interested in entrepreneurship, and the trainers and the coaches are actual entrepreneurs. So they teach from real life experiences. What we also say is that it's experiential learning. When we talk about money, we give them the opportunity to raise money through a pitch competition where they win seed capital. When we talk about opening a bank account, we take them to an actual bank to open a bank account. And in this case, we make it as real as possible and relevant for their now and for their future. More than ever, we must make learning and discovering hands-on, giving young people experiential learning about business, about life, about innovation, technology, and making it as real as possible before they graduate high school. Because many students enter college clueless about what they want to study. In fact, 68% of those who graduate from college, the job they secure with a bachelor's degree typically has nothing to do with what they studied for 4 years. However, if we can get them to learn, experience, and launch and start an enterprise or do internships early, they'll be far more aligned with what they're going to study in college. At the Startup Bootcamp, they're going to learn a lot of things, particularly public speaking, working in teams, critical thinking, thinking analytically. They're going to learn about finances because they have to prepare financial reports. They have to put into practice innovation, creativity, and a lot of skills that are relevant. And we give them the opportunity in just 2.5 days at the boot camp to compile all that information and then pitch a business idea to a panel of investors. All in 2.5 days, they gain a lot of skills that we know are applicable not only in the moment, but in the future as well. At the boot camp, many students share with us how much they've learned in just 2.5 days. In fact, some students say, I've learned in 2.5 days about business, leadership, and innovation in 2.5 days compared to a full semester. They leave more motivated, more focused, self-esteem increases, and when there's radical self-interest to learn and grow, students can then optimize every single opportunity that's presented to them. They leave more secure not only with an idea, but more secure about themselves. Bootcamp is very interactive. In fact, we challenge young people to speak in public. In other words, we ask them, think about an idea that helps solve a problem and share with us in front of the classroom. Public speaking is key. We tell them and teach them how to negotiate, how to work together in team dynamics. In addition to that, how to create a pitch deck using technology, how to best use AI for research purposes. In addition to that, how to apply math when they're discussing their profit loss statements. And other activities can vary, but it's all about engaging them through team dynamics and self-discovery. Absolutely, when you register at the boot camp, you know from the very beginning that you have to come up with an idea, study what opportunities exist in your community, analyze, and then with that idea, build a business plan around it, and then pitch it to win seed capital. And you have to be very convincing and persuasive in trying to get the panel of judges to choose you as one of the top 5 finalists. You then present again so that you can learn how to optimize that opportunity to win seed capital.